Good morning to everyone. My name is GOPINADH. Today we discuss about arrow functions and goodbye to traditional JavaScript syntax and advanced arrow functions, EA6 features and also introduction and EA6 features and arrow functions in practice and compatibility and browser support and conclusion. Introduction to EA6. EA6 also known as IMPES 2015 is the sixth major version of the JavaScript language. It introduced many new features and syntax improvements to enhance to the development experience. Yes is crucial in modern web development due to its ability to simplicity code, increase productivity, and improve performance. Here, the two differences of the ES6 and ES5, some of the major changes are there. Arrow function. ES6 introduced arrow functions which offer the more compressed syntax defining functions, especially for small autonomous functions and classes. ES6 introduced the class syntax, making it easier to create and work with the object in more object-oriented manner. In EF5, you had to use constructor functions and prototypes for similar functionality. Template literals. ES6 introducing the template literals, allowing the for string interpolation and multi-line string using the backticks. Default parameters. ES6 allows to specify default values for the function parameters, simplifying the handling of missing and defining arguments. REST and spread operator. ES6 introducing the REST and spread operators for working with the arrays and objects. The REST operator used to gather in remaining function arguments into an array, while the spread operator is used to split an array or object into the individual elements of property. Destructing. ES6 introducing destructing syntax for easily extracting values from arrays and objects. Promise. ES6 introducing narrow support for promising, making it easier to work with the asynchronous operators to avoid callback hell. Modules. ES6 introducing the module system with the import and export statements, allowing the better code organization and reduce. Enhancing the object letters, EA6 introducing the shortened property names, computing property names and methods in object letters, making the object creation more complex and fixable. Symbol. EA6 introducing the simple data type which allows for the creation and unique and important values that can be used on object keys. Map and set. EA6 introducing the map and set data structures for the more efficient handling of the collection of data. ES6 revolutionized JavaScript with the arrow functions and is a new era of coding efficiency. ES6 features block scoping. The electron allows two variables to scoping with the block they are defining, improving the code clarity and reducing the bugs. Template literals and distraction, and we discuss arrow functions. Arrow functions have the confidence syntax using the arrow symbol, making them shorter than easier to read. Benefits. Arrow functions provide the benefits such as a fixed this binding, which is ensured that this keyword refers to the expecting context. Difference between arrow function and traditional functions. Arrow functions differ from the traditional functions. The behavior recording this keyword, function binding, and lack of own argument objects. Arrow functions in practice. Arrow function can make code more complex and readable by the using the read for the complex function, declaration, and a return statement. They are particularly useful for callback functions as this compact syntax allows for the clearer code with the fascinating functions as arguments. Arrow functions are commonly used with the array methods like map, filter, and reduce, enabling the more functional and declarative coding style. When using the arrow function, the importance to aware of common ways such as unusual scoping issues and declaring the implant return behavior. Compatibility and browser support. Browser support overview. Modern browsers has good support for the ES6 features, but older browsers may lack support for the certain features. To enhance the compatibility, developer can use the transpilers like Babel to be able to convert the ES6 code into ES5, which is widely supported. Proper tools for compatibility. Several tools and libraries which as webback tables provide easy integration and support for ES6 in various environments. Benefit. Utilizing ES6 in production environment offer the benefits like improving code readability, enhancing the development and productivity, and access to new language features. Conclusion. ES6 introduces numerous features that enhance the JavaScript development, making code more effective, readable, and maintainable. Arrow functions, in particular, provide a confidence and aligned way to write functions, improving code quality and developer productivity. Thank you.